Hi my friends, today we model this part. It seems to be very simple, but it has some interesting features. This is the drawing with all dimensions. You see here all fillets are radius 3 and you see the fillets. We start by creating this dimensioned contour 30, radius 50, 90, radius 50, and all dimension is 170. Let's do this. New standard millimeters IPT, XY plane, and now we draw some lines, not starting from here but somewhere here. Horizontal, press the left button, go here, take care to be tangent the next line, then press the left button again, and I try to get this. This is the vertical radius and this is horizontal. All dimension is 170, yes? Take a look here. Homotety works and the center of homotety is here. Take a look. 170. You see? This point is here now along this line, and everything is scaled together. Now I place this point in the center point and I apply dimensions. Radius 50, radius 50. I take this dimension from here and this is 30. This is 90 and this is 10. Okay, we select this plane and we create a new sketch. You see, this is the center point and we'll use it because it is projected, already projected on our sketch. Line up, press the left button, go here, get the tangent and close. Then radius 3, angle 20 degrees, equal for these two sides. Now it is symmetrical, and 12 here. We place this center point over the center point. Finish sketch. And now we apply sweep. We select curve or edge, this curve, Okay. Now these two cylinders, 26 diameter, 18 diameter, 17, 15. Let's do this. We select XZ plane, and we know that here is the center point. Circle diameter of 26. Finish sketch. Extrude this direction with join on 17. You see here 17. The other cylinder is placed on this face. A new circle of 18. And an extrusion of 15. Extrude all the circle, the other direction, join 15. Good. 2 holes. This is 8 and this is special, radius 6 and 5. Okay, hole, face, center, 8 all the way through the part. Here we have to create a sketch. A circle with a radius 6, a vertical line, a chord, cut or trim this, and 5 is the dimension. Fully constrained. Extrude this, the other direction, all the way. Okay. The last, all fillets are radius 3, including this one. I select this, radius 3, and both ends with the same fillet. Okay. Now we can verify the volume. Eye properties, physical update, copy, close, drawing, double click, paste. Oh, just the same. I cancel this new value because it is the same with that old value. We apply material, steel carbon. We select the default lights. We select shaded, and now we can compare the two, and we don't see any difference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.